Hello and welcome to another video. Today we will be creating a guess the number game in Python. Basically the idea is that a random number will be generated from the random library and stored in a variable, and a user will be getting 3 chances. That means the user can put 3 inputs. That means the user has to guess the number. If he or she guesses the number correctly, the output will be displayed saying that the user has won and the number will be displayed. But if the user cannot guess the number within 3 tries, then there will be an output saying that the user has lost and the number will be displayed. Which number was the random number that has been generated in the first place? So let's go for a demonstration. As you can see, I have a console open and let's type. Okay, as you can see that I'm about to give an input, so let's try with 5. And it says there are 2 tries left. That means this is not a correct number. So let's try with 7. And still it's not the correct number. So if I try with 9, and that's it, the number is 6. My guesses were incorrect and the number is 6. So this is how it works. So let's create this game. But before starting, I want to ask you to please subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I create some interesting videos like this, you will be notified immediately. Let's get our hands on coding. As you can see that I have VS Code open. Let's create a file and let's name it s.py. Alright. At first we need to import the random library. So we write import random. Then we will generate a random number and store it in a variable. So let's type number equals random.rand_int. And we want the number to be from 1 to 10, so we will type 1, 10. Okay, and let's give, there will be 3 tries. Now let's start the loop. It starts from 0 and it goes till less than tries. What we have now is, this is the guess variable where the user input will be stored and it will be matched. So let's typecast it first and input. We will write guess the number. Alright, so there will be a user input and we will be guessing the number. That means we will type the number and let's match if it's correct or not. Okay, so let's come to the logic. If guess equals number, then let's print something like print awesome, and the next line let's print, we have to print a variable here as well, so we will type it like this: you have guessed the right number. So this is the logic if the number is correct. So we will print it like this, and we will break the loop. Otherwise, we will decrease the number of tries, and we will print how many tries are left. So we will print it like this. Alright, so there will be 3 tries, so the loop will run 3 times, and if the user cannot successfully state the number properly, then this logic comes. So we will write if guess is not equals to number, then we will print sorry, your guesses were incorrect. The number is like this, and save it. Alright, so let's open up a terminal and let's run this code. So we will write Python guess.py. As you can see, it asks for the number, so let's try with 3 this time. It says 2 tries left, so let's try with 8. One more try left. Let's try with 1. Okay, it says awesome, you have guessed the right number. It's 1. So I tried, and in the third try I could guess the correct number, so I won this game. So if I go for, let's clear it and let's try again. So I will guess the number is 7, and then I will guess the number is 10. I will guess the number is 9, and it says, sorry, your guesses were incorrect, the number is 1. So this is how the game works, and basically that's it for the video. I hope you have enjoyed it. So if you think this was fun, this was useful, please hit the like button and comment on this video what you thought. And if you find this video interesting and you want more videos like this, please subscribe to this YouTube channel so that I will be creating more and more videos like this, and you will be notified when I create one and upload one. So with that said, I'll see you people in the next video. Till then, goodbye.